Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Capricorn. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So my angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Capricorn, let's begin your reading. Let's see what's going on here. And welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel. And if you're new here, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Capricorn, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So I do see a little bit of a delay going on in something. Alright, so bottom of my deck I have the King of Wands in reverse, Capricorn, dealing with a very immature energy or somebody who's very in and out, maybe a bit of a player, doesn't always have to be, just has to be somebody who's not wanting to take responsibility of anything, just kind of not mature, I would say. So let's see what's going on here. The cards I have on the table for you is the Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, and the Chariot. Ace of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Six of Swords, Eight of Swords, and the Queen of Cups. Somebody is not happy with the way things have gone. There's not happy with the way this relationship has progressed or the investment that's been put into this connection. They feel somebody was a liar and a cheat, to be honest, and they are not sure whether they want to move ahead in this connection anymore. Something that they may have thought had the potential now doesn't seem that exciting anymore. Seems it's lost its brightness. There's some kind of a delay going on. Maybe they were dealing with somebody who was very immature. I don't know. This was somebody feels like, they feel that they lost. I have a Queen of Cups here, feeling totally drained out of their energy, feeling very emotionally overwhelmed, no longer even, just feeling that this was a wasted effort and I'm not going to be in this overthinking anymore. I have to release myself of this stress and tension. So let's start with some dialogue message cards here. We'll clarify all these cards to see in actuality what's going on, Capricorn. But till then, let's see if you guys could say something to each other now, what that would be. Capricorn and their person, Spirit. Capricorn and their person, if they could say something to each other now. Thank you. And let's take a few more from here, Capricorn. Capricorn and their person. One more. All right. Okay. And let's take a couple more from here, which are messages from the heart. Capricorn and their person. That's good. All right, Capricorn, let's begin your reading. Let's see what we have here. The first card I have here says, our separation has destroyed me. There are times when I haven't wanted to live. I've wondered if you would even notice if I no longer existed. Second card says, I realized I can't run from you because you're deep within me. We are one and eternally connected. When I run, I'm actually running from myself when you've shown me in the mirror the reflection of what I don't like about myself and what I must heal. Next card says, I get so annoyed with your constant need to control everything and denial of your triggers. If I upset you, I want you to be honest with me, but you use silence as a manipulation to gain control. We should be able to talk it out like grown-ups. Like I said, somebody feels that dealing with a child. You changed. You were keeping secrets from me. One minute we were talking like best friends, then you distant yourself from me. Every time it happened again, we grew further and further apart. I miss the old us. I'm silent due to going through the dark night of the soul. I feel like an emotional roller coaster and don't have the strength to communicate with you right now. Yes, there's somebody who's feeling very, very emotionally drained at the moment with this connection. I'm involved with someone else, and it wouldn't be fair to either of you to pursue our connection at this time. So maybe this person was a player. Maybe they were a cheat. Maybe they were sneaking away towards somebody else. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you'll understand. I need time. Maybe this person just needs time to grow up. I admire you, I care about you, I trust you, I respect you, and I love you unconditionally. You are my true love. I enjoy your company, but I don't want a commitment. See? It's come down to that finally. That's the reason they were not putting in any investment. Always sneaking around, cheating, or behaving like a player because they were trying to create a delay in the connection because they didn't want to commit. Seven of Pentacles, Spirit. Oh, before that, I forgot, I must take an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Learning experience. Okay, Capricorn, whoever this person is probably came to teach you a lesson, or maybe you have to teach them a lesson. We do cross, we have many soulmates and we cross each other's path to learn something out of. So just try and figure out what this experience has really taught you. There could be a lesson here for you. So let's start your reading now. Seven of Pentacles, Spirit. Seven of Pentacles and the Seven of Swords. Somebody was too much of a coward to make a decision, and they ran away and ended up breaking somebody's heart, it seems. They didn't invest in this connection. They didn't make a decision, or maybe they made the decision to sneak away because ended up breaking that person's heart. Chariot, what's the Seven of Swords, Spirit? What's the Seven of Swords? They were just trying to, maybe they had other options, I don't know, but there was a lot of confusion here. Maybe they were trying to portray themselves to be, the perfect person. I'm the King of Pentacles, I'm this, I'm that. But this was all an illusion. This was all just to create confusion. And when the time came, I think they just ran away and broke that person's heart. Chariot in reverse. Yes, this stopped working. This connection stopped working and left somebody feeling, somebody turned their back on this connection. It lost its momentum and left somebody feeling like this. Having sleepless nights, worrying, looking at their phone, looking for a text, maybe not being able to rest at night. And why? Because no new beginning was actually offered in this connection, Capricorn. Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Page of Swords in reverse. Page of Swords in reverse. So what's that, Spirit? That's again a very, very immature energy. Somebody who creates trouble wherever they go, keeps secrets, and never offer. This is like that sulky child who's always unhappy, always creating trouble, never giving the correct offer, creating delays, keeping secrets. Or maybe they were worried about what other people were going to say, maybe worried about the gossip, maybe wanted to keep this relationship a secret. and this relationship has now taken a wrong turn. This person was emotionally very manipulative, if I can say so, Capricorn. I don't know whether this is you, whether this is the person you were dealing with, but this person was emotionally an emotional manipulator. Maybe they were just, maybe worried about what people would say, gossip, and wanting to keep things a secret, just creating delays, pretending to be one way, where pretending to be the King of Pentacles, but in actuality they were the King of Cups. So let's see, Six of Wands, Spirit in reverse. Yeah, somebody is feeling this was a wasted fight. This was a wasted effort, wasted battle, feeling embarrassed, feeling this is totally stagnated now, it's over. Eight of Swords in reverse. Yes, they feel they were dealing with a trickster who was just creating some kind of a delay in their life. They feel, I'm not going to waste any more time thinking or worrying or waiting for somebody who was a trickster. Somebody is now getting out of their thinking mode, maybe waited for a long time, trying to figure out what happened, why things have stagnated, why things have stalled between the two of you. But now I think somebody is kind of releasing that stress and tension and worry, feeling a bit overwhelmed and tired basically. They feel they gave all their love away, and they feel they need time now to rejuvenate and fill that cup of love back again for themselves. Now whatever memories that have been created in this connection are not good. Yes, this person is feeling totally drained out, having bad memories now created with this person from whoever this Knight of Wands is. There was never this to begin with. The Four of Wands, reverse. Stability was never on the table. So can you tell me something about this Knight of Wands, Spirit? Who's this Knight of Wands? I don't know why I'm even asking. They may come back. They may come back and want to heal this connection and maybe offer the same story once again to say, hey, can we have long term? Can we be committed? They want to apologize. They want to bring healing. But I am really not sure of how authentic this offer is going to be. In the next reading, Capricorn, if this person still shows up, I'm going to go into their side and see what their true intentions are. But right now, this person is may come back, so just be a little mindful. They may come back with an apology to say, hey, can we heal things between us? I do want to have this, long term with you, but still showing up in the Nine of Wands in reverse energy. So just be a bit mindful. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.